Hi there, traders. This is Brad Gilbert with the FX Market Insight for Thursday, the 8th of August. Now, not a lot to go through. The markets have really settled down. It's taken, 3 or so days to get all the wind out of Trump's sails. But as we come into the Asian session here, just to start, good time to be doing your analysis. Now, just having a look here at the overall analysis picture of the major pairs and the dollar index. Still, the top half here, to me, is a bit of a no-go zone. There's no real clear direction. What I'm talking about is connecting the dots through the technicals and the central bank sentiment. But the bottom parts here does start to look quite appealing. Now, you got to weigh up the opportunities on sterling with Brexit. Okay, sterling has just been trading sideways. No one sort of globally looks like they want to touch it. But the two bottom pairs here do have, to me, very clear direction at the moment, and they are starting to trade technically quite nicely. Now, what you have to sort of keep an eye on, upcoming FX events. Well, later on today, much later today, we've got the RBA governor. I think he's testifying his testimony for the Australian Senate Committee. That may be interesting to see what he's got to say about the general economic situation. Otherwise, we have to wait for Friday to really get into the some of the other releases, the RBA policy statement and the Chinese CPI, which will be rather interesting. All right, and that's pretty much it. So pretty much the same as business as usual. Follow the pairs that do have the best setups. That's what I'm doing. I mean, that's what you're looking for is the easiest trades, not the hardest ones. Aussie just cruising to the downside. Okay, a little bit of pressure here. I'm okay with that. I like this setup. It should sort of hold. We'll see how that plays out. Obviously, Trump is the one wild card here. And I like the idea of getting short Kiwi on rallies here as well. Now, Euro, it traded through that trend line, trading sideways, same as sterling, and pretty much the same as dollar yen. And dollar CAD, it's slowly creeping higher as oil falls. So maybe something on there. Just keep a close eye on oil, and we'll see how that plays out. Otherwise, there's not a hell of a lot else to do, guys. This is just normal trading, technical. You wouldn't think there was any noise in the market at the moment, and that's a good thing. All right. So all you can do is follow the trail. So I was just going to have a look here, and actually, if you're looking for other opportunities, just scroll down through the upcoming events, and you can start to plan out the remainder of the trade week. And we do have some heavy-hitting numbers, especially the Canadian employment numbers Friday. That should really stir the pot on the dollar CAD. All right, guys, that's it from me. Pretty calm markets at the moment. Get in there, look for some opportunities, and put some trades in the market. All right, guys, cheerio.